Welcome back. We have another new feature in our Sabre ETO where when you convert a purchase quote to an order on a BOM planning line, it will warn you if you've already converted a purchase quote to a BOM planning line. So my name is Jenn Claridge. I'm the Vice President of the ERP practice here, and I am going to show you that feature inside of Business Central. So here we are inside of a project, and we are on the Sabre BOM planning lines. And for this project, I need to buy some clamps. I need 20 of them. And as we can see, I don't have any quotes created. There's no purchase orders created. Not sure who I want to buy it from. So I'm going to go ahead, mark that line as plan ready, and I'm going to go and put out some quotes. So I'm going to say first up consultant, worldwide importers, and nod publishers are all an interesting candidate for me. So 3 purchase quotes were created. And if I scroll over, I'm able to see the quotes that were generated for this line, and I can see that my disposition is request for quote. So this functionality has been around for a long time, works really, really well. But previously, when I decided to take one of these quotes and convert it to an order, system would let me. It would update the disposition status to purchase. I'd see the purchase order. Life was good. But if I converted a second quote, it just overrode the first one. And, I really didn't have any indicator that maybe I was making a mistake or I was converting 2 purchase quotes for one demand line. So let's see what that looks like. So again, as I would do before, I was going to go ahead and I'm going to convert for first up consultants. I'm going to go ahead and make that an order. Standard functionality there, so I can see that 2 purchase quotes were remaining that I didn't choose to go ahead with. So on the line, I would see the 2 purchase quotes that were still left. And here I saw the purchase order that was converted from quote 1004. If I were to convert 1005, I now get a warning. So let me go ahead and I'm going to open up that quote. I could add the cost information or anything that I need to, not important for this demonstration. But now if I go ahead and say make order, I still get asked if I want to convert the quote. But now I get a warning that tells me that at least one line for purchase quote 5 references a job and a task. And if I complete it, it lets me know that it will override the existing link. So if I were to go ahead and say yes, then the new purchase order number would be updated and this quote would go away. If I say no, that purchase order that purchase quote just stays there. Everything makes sense. But here again, if I were to, like I said, go ahead and actually convert that, 106018 was created. And I can see over here, I've got 106018. So again, just a warning that lets me know might not be a good idea to do that, and that wasn't there before. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please hit the like button. Click here to follow our channel, and click here for more great videos.